Over here on the very left-hand side, you're gonna grab, there's probably an avatar here, just a little outline, but you're gonna click on the account button. So I'm gonna click there, and then I'm gonna go down to this profile option. So easy to do from here. Notice I've got this image here, but if I hover over it, even if it's just a blank avatar, you get that little pencil. The other way to edit it is to click on Edit Profile. I'm just gonna do the pencil, super simple. Click on that, and then I want to upload a picture. I'm going to choose a picture. It's going to take me to my computer. So I already have a photo of me saved here. I'm going to choose that photo and then open. Looks great. Hit save. You can also change your name to your preferred name and add pronouns. Let's do that. I'm going to click on Edit Profile, and I want to be called, actually I really like to be called Angie Redmond. So I'm going to be called Angie Redmond, and then underneath you can choose your pronouns. You can leave those as none. I'm going to go ahead and choose she, her. I leave the rest of it blank. Scroll down and then hit Save Profile, and you're all set to go.